A pitches motion is a motion made by the criminal defense lawyer during the pretrial phase in order to obtain the police officer's personnel records to see if they indicate a history of misconduct. When we make a pitches motion, we start by submitting a written motion to the judge in which we have to show that there's good cause to believe that the officer engaged in misconduct and that it's relevant to our case. Now, this could be filing a false police report, committing perjury, planting evidence, racial profiling, bias and discrimination, using excessive force. And I'll give you an example. Suppose the police arrested our client and alleged that they found cocaine on him. It's probably sufficient if we say in our pitches motion that it's our client's position that he never had cocaine and that the police must have planted this on him. That's probably enough to show good cause. Now, once we show good cause, the judge will hold what's called an in-camera hearing. That means he'll go in chambers privately, often with the city attorney or somebody from the police department, and he will look through the police officer's personnel records. And he'll see if there is a history of other people making similar complaints against those officers. If there is, then the judge will usually give the names and contact information of those witnesses to the criminal defense lawyer. We can then go and contact those people, subpoena them, call them as witnesses at trial in order to discredit the police officers further. But oftentimes, if we get pitches hits, then the case doesn't even get to trial. If we can take those to the DA and the DA starts to lose faith in their police officers, especially in a case that hinges on police officer credibility, then oftentimes the DA will offer a better deal, or sometimes will even dismiss the case altogether. Personally, I've worked on hundreds of pitches motions, both as a prosecutor and as a criminal defense attorney. And I can tell you it is often a very effective tool in defending a case. If we're able to gather up evidence and witnesses that the police officers in our case are biased, discriminatory, corrupt, crooked, untrustworthy, dishonest, that they use excessive force, then that can go a long way towards getting our clients' charges reduced or dismissed.